10 ways women see your weakness, and how to fix them. Did you know that women can subconsciously pick up on subtle behaviors that signal weakness? Psychology shows that these cues often influence how women perceive you, sometimes without you even realizing it. Whether you're on a date, in a relationship, or trying to make a lasting impression, certain actions can unintentionally convey insecurity. But don't worry, we'll not only uncover these behaviors, but also show you how to turn them around. Let's dive into the 10 ways women may see weakness and explore how to address them. 1. Constantly seeking her approval. Picture this. Every decision you make hinges on her reaction. Is this okay? Do you like this? Should I change it? While valuing her input can be sweet, constantly seeking validation can signal insecurity. For instance, imagine being at a restaurant and hesitating between pasta or steak, nervously asking for her opinion. Women admire men who can stand their ground and make decisions confidently. Instead of overthinking her reaction, trust your instincts. Show that you value her perspective, but don't make it the cornerstone of every choice. Confidence in your own opinions is incredibly attractive and speaks volumes about your self-assurance. 2. Letting her walk all over you. Avoiding conflict at all costs, even when she's clearly in the wrong, might seem like a way to keep the peace. But it can backfire. Imagine planning a thoughtful date, only for her to spend the evening glued to her phone. Instead of addressing the disrespect, you laugh it off or pretend it doesn't bother you. Being easygoing is a great trait, but being a pushover isn't. Women respect men who set boundaries and stand up for themselves. If you let her treat you poorly without consequence, she may lose respect for you. Addressing issues calmly and directly shows emotional strength and self-respect, both of which are qualities women admire. 3. Oversharing your insecurities. Vulnerability is a key to building emotional intimacy, but oversharing too early can have the opposite effect. For example, spilling all your fears, doubts, and failures by the second date can overwhelm her. Women appreciate honesty, but they also value a man who is actively working on himself. Save the deeper conversations for when you've built trust. Instead of dwelling on insecurities, focus on your growth and progress. Sharing your journey towards self-improvement can be far more appealing than simply listing your struggles. 4. Trying too hard to impress her. Have you ever caught yourself exaggerating stories or bragging about achievements to win her approval? Maybe you tell her you almost won an award or basically led a major project at work. Trying too hard to impress her can make you seem insecure about your true worth. Women are drawn to authenticity and confidence. Rather than embellishing your life, focus on being genuine. Let your accomplishments speak for themselves. Confidence isn't about shouting your wins, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. 5. Being overly emotional in disagreements. When disagreements arise, how do you handle them? If you're quick to lose your temper, get defensive, or break down, she might perceive this as emotional instability. For instance, a small disagreement over where to eat could turn into an unnecessary argument because you feel slighted. Emotional control is a sign of maturity. Women admire men who can handle conflicts with calmness and grace. This doesn't mean bottling up your emotions, but rather expressing them constructively. Showing that you can navigate tough situations without falling apart signals strength and reliability. 6. Never taking the lead. Imagine you've been dating for a while, and every plan starts with, "So, what do you want to do?" While considering her preferences is thoughtful, constantly deferring decisions to her can make you seem indecisive. Taking the lead doesn't mean being controlling. It's about showing initiative and confidence. Suggest plans and take charge of creating enjoyable experiences for both of you. Women appreciate a man who can confidently make decisions and isn't afraid to take the reins. 7. Letting fear hold you back. Women can sense when fear dictates your actions. Maybe you hesitate to ask for a promotion, pursue a personal goal, or take the relationship to the next level. This hesitation signals a lack of confidence in your ability to succeed or handle challenges. Women are often drawn to ambitious men who take risks. Overcoming your fears and going after what you want not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you more attractive. Show her that you're someone who isn't afraid to face life's challenges head-on. 8. Overanalyzing every situation. Do you second-guess every interaction or overthink her reactions? Women notice when a man seems trapped in his own head. Overanalyzing can come across as a lack of self-confidence and can create unnecessary tension. Instead, focus on being present. Enjoy the moment without dissecting every word or gesture. Confidence is about trusting yourself and the connection you're building, not constantly seeking reassurance. 9. Being indecisive. Indecisiveness can be frustrating, especially when it's a recurring issue. Whether it's choosing a restaurant or making life plans, constantly wavering can make you seem unsure of yourself. Women are drawn to decisiveness. If you're unsure, take a moment to weigh your options and make a choice confidently. Even if it's not the perfect decision, owning it shows leadership and assurance. 10. Neglecting your personal growth. Lastly, women can tell when you're stagnant in life. Whether it's neglecting your health, career, or personal interests, a lack of growth can be a major turn-off. Women admire men who are passionate about improving themselves and chasing their goals. Take time to invest in your own growth. Pursue hobbies, set career goals, and work on your mental and physical health. When you're driven and proactive about your own development, it shows her that you're capable of being a supportive and inspiring partner. Final thoughts. Weakness isn't about making mistakes. It's about failing to learn and grow from them. By recognizing these behaviors and taking steps to improve, you not only become more attractive to women, but also develop greater confidence and self-worth. Remember, true strength lies in authenticity, emotional maturity, and the courage to take risks. Embrace these traits, and you'll find that the respect and admiration you seek come naturally. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.